Hey everyone, I am going to be showing you how you can use Google Meet to record your presentation. So I'm going to start on the Google homepage, and from here I'm going to select Google Apps. Then in the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Meet. Then I need to select Join or Start a Meeting. And I'm simply going to label this meeting the name of my project. And then I'm going to select Continue. Then from here it's going to start my camera and my microphone, and then I need to select Join Now. Next, it's going to give you some information that you can use if you are going to add other participants to your meeting, but since we're only using this feature to just record our presentation, we don't need this information, so I'm simply going to exit. Then from here, you're going to select More Options. You'll select Record Meeting. And then it's going to make sure that you know that you have to ask for consent to record other participants of your meeting. However, it's just going to be you presenting your project, so there's no other people that you need to get consent from, so we're just going to select Accept. Then it's going to process your request to record, and as soon as this little box turns red, you know that the recording has begun. So now you can actually share your slides so you can begin your presentation. So next you'll select Present Now. You'll select a Chrome tab. And then you'll select your pre-opened project. And you'll select Share. And then it's going to bring you to your slideshow. Once your slideshow is opened and Google Meets is recording, then you'll just share your project with us. And once you've shared all of your slides with us, then you have to follow two more steps. The first thing that you need to do after you've finished your project is you have to stop sharing your slides. So to do so, you're going to select this blue box that says Stop. After you've selected Stop, you will no longer be sharing your slides. Then the next thing you have to do is you have to go back to the Google Meet to stop recording. So I'll go back to the Google Meeting, and now I need to make sure that I'm not recording any longer. So I'm going to go back to More Options. Then I'm going to select Stop Recording. It's going to ask me to confirm that I am ready to stop recording. And then again, it will process that request. And as soon as that red box goes away, you know that you are no longer recording. So now, just a few more things before I close out. So after you are finished presenting your project and you have ended the recording, two things are going to happen. First, you are going to get an email eventually that has your recording in it. Next, Google Drive is actually going to create a folder in your Google Drive that's titled Meet Recordings. Then your video will be saved in that Google folder automatically. So then once you have access to your video, then you need to upload it to Schoology in the appropriate folder. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked to you about today, feel free to send me an email and I'll answer those questions as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone!